Welcome to how to make TikTok videos with pictures. So in this video we are going to show you how to make TikTok video with pictures. But before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all what you're gonna have to do, you will just open up your TikTok application on your Android and iOS, and once you have opened up your TikTok application you will tap on the plus icon at the bottom, and this will open up your camera. Okay, so now what you're gonna have to do, make sure that from here it's selected as photo, and then tap on upload and then tap on photo, and now here you can see all of your galleries pictures here. So you can select multiple pictures. So I will select multiple pictures like this one, like this and this, and then you will tap on next, and then from here you can, if you want to add the sound, you can just simply tap on this sound option here at the above, and it shows you the recommended sound according to your pictures, and if you have any favorite sounds you can add them as well, and from here you can search the sound as well. And after this what you're gonna have to do here, that you will just simply tap on next, and from here you can just simply tap on post, and then your videos with pictures will be uploaded on TikTok. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.